What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2024 Mazda CX-5 started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the CX-5 as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying Key Fob Battery Low, Key Not Detected. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob. I'm going to press the brake in like normal, and when I start doing that, you can see the stop-start buttons blinking green. I'm going to hold the key fob up to the stop-start button. So release the brake, press it down when you see it blinking. Hold the key fob up to it, you see it glow solid, and now I can start it as normal. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.